We support our customers in the planning and design of their projects. In this example, bakery technology with reference to poolish and pre-dough production, consisting of a batch tank with a central flour weighing system and 4 maturing or storage tanks, each with a usable volume of 1,600 kilograms. The individual ripening and storage tanks are filled using 2 batches of 800 kilograms each. Based on a maturation time of approximately 16 hours, the time intervals for filling the ripening or storage tanks 1 to 4 depend on the production processes and the amount of poolish required. Of course, both our client and we are aware that the placement of the depicted discharge points at the end customer's location is generally wishful thinking. The conceptual layout shown is intended solely to contribute to a better understanding throughout this presentation. The walkways and platforms ensure optimal maintenance of the scrapers of the agitator and the filter cartridges of the jet filter. Fall protection is ensured by surrounding railings and the use of self-closing key safety doors. The horizontal and vertical scraper agitators with quick-change scraper systems not only keep your product moving, they are also used for homogenizing, suspending, dispersing, and for maintaining the required temperature. The product dosing of the flour weighing and the preparation tank is carried out with 3 coupled load cells each. At this point, we would like to point out the following aspect. To avoid damaging the gluten structure formed during the dough resting period, this concept plant, in consultation with our customer, completely dispenses with pump technology. Instead, the gentle product discharge from the ripening or storage tanks is achieved by pressurization. The benefits for the end customer? A high gluten content creates a voluminous, elastic, and stable dough structure, as well as high baked quality, such as enhanced flavor and longer shelf life. Automated cleaning, including the venting unit, is carried out using cleaning lances and rotating spray heads. The upstream solenoid valves are controlled at intervals by a special cleaning program. For the tank designs shown, we use the so-called pillow plate technology for cooling or heating. This technology enables highly efficient energy utilization and precise temperature regulation through comprehensive cold or heat transfer. Pillow plates are also highly resistant to high working pressures. This allows for rapid exchange of the temperature control fluids. This enables very precise and rapid temperature adjustment, which is often essential, especially in food processing. To temper the pillow plates, sustainable and proven ice water cooling systems are used for each ripening tank in customer dialogue. The temperature can be controlled individually for each ripening tank. Now let's move on to filling the ripening tanks. In close cooperation with our customers, we always focus on efficiency and sustainability. Due to the central positioning of the preparation tank, tanks 1 and 2 can be filled to the left, or tanks 3 and 4 to the right. This results in short conveying distances and minimizes water consumption for cleaning the pipeline. In addition to efficiency and sustainability, the focus of joint technical planning is always on finding the best hygienic solution. In this context, after consultation with our customer, we decided not to use the usual butterfly valves in the case described, as these prevent optimal product conveyance and cleaning due to the barrier disc. Instead, we use full-bore ball valves. From plant planning, taking into account the aforementioned aspects of sustainability, efficiency, and hygiene, through production to final assembly and commissioning. Our service includes, among other things, ongoing support for all our products beyond delivery upon request. The horizontal agitators of the ripening and storage tanks are also equipped with quick-change scraper systems. The inclined position of the scrapers supports product discharge and enables almost complete product emptying. At the end of this presentation, we would like to discuss the emptying of the ripening and storage containers. In consultation with our potential client and the end customer, we also considered only full-bore ball valves for the emptying system of the ripening and storage tanks. Accordingly, the hygiene requirements for this design are state-of-the-art. Either the left or the right discharge point can be filled from all ripening tanks. The aforementioned pressure emptying not only offers product protecting advantages, but also allows both discharge points to be filled simultaneously without the need for costly pumping technology. The design options for Polish and Prido systems are diverse. Accordingly, filling can also be done directly via flour weighing systems. In this case, the tanks first function as a mixing tank and then as a ripening or storage tank. Test us. After the joint planning and design phase, we are available for meetings via Zoom or Teams, including monitor sharing for the presentation of our 3D design. This means no travel until the final clarification. Your team at MBComponents.